So this recipe is going to be a great gift if you like to make things and give them away to people. It is
flowers and spice and something nice soap. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of glycerin soap base, 2 drops of Bay essential oil, 2 drops of CAJEPUT essential oil, and a soap mold, plus something nice. So I have some options for Shiloh to pick from.
I like options.
Like lavender buds or rose petals, or you can even put in a little toy like this unicorn.
Oh.
One thing to keep in mind though, if you choose a little toy, is that these essential oils aren't kid friendly. You'll want to use something like lavender or tangerine so that it's safe on your child's skin. So first off, we are going to melt our soap base, add our essential oils, add our pretty things, and then put it in the mold.
Okay.
So add your essential oils. And I think I'm actually gonna have you put this in the mold first. That way you can kind of decoratively place the buds and petals.
All right.
So you're gonna add some lavender buds. So these do have a tendency to float to the top, so if you wanna sink them down further, you can use a toothpick, or she's using her spatula. Another fun thing to do with this recipe is to try different molds. You can use silicone ice trays, or I had a heart mold that I made a soap from that I'll show you in just a little bit using hibiscus flowers. Your toy might not fit if you choose that, but you can have fun making it come out of the soap. So this recipe has a lot of fun variations you can do with it. So let's set this aside and I'll show you what it might look like when it's done. So this is one that I made earlier. I used hibiscus leaves and you can see it dries clear and ends up really pretty.
Looks really nice.
Yeah, so this is a good soap for a gift, or you can put it in the guest bathroom because it looks so cute and makes your home more natural.
So for fun recipes like this and more, go to simplyearth.com and check out our recipe box.
Go and make your home more natural.